What do you think? Let's do cold start? Let's do it.
Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling.
Hey guys, I'm Virus. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, traffic is heavy in Sydney today, but it's just midday. It's 1 p.m. Friday. It's crazy on the roads. In this video, I will show you another super cool car, supercar, and it's gonna be McLaren 720S.
I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian pattern is hard to beat. My lady on me. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian pattern is hard to beat. My lady on me.
In the back of my car, I already have material. We will use gloss paint protection film on this McLaren. Yeah, another protection. Let's go to the workshop and check the car.
I asked you for the time. You got the damn right.
Okay, we are at Concept Wraps workshop. No one is here. I hope car is inside. Let's have a look. Very good. Car is already here. Just look at it. It looks insane.
I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian pattern is hard to beat. My lady on me.
Brand new McLaren 720S. You like it? Let's have a look inside. Carbon fiber accents, Alcantara, red stitching. Looks beautiful. Carbon fiber accents on the steering wheel, Alcantara, red stitching. Looks very good. We are installing full paint protection kit on this vehicle. I hope we have a template for it, because I don't want to do bulk fit on McLaren. Computer is on. It's so slow, it takes forever to turn it on. Okay, we can wait. Lucky me, we have full template for this car. Can you see this madness? It's door panel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 pieces for one door. It's insane. It's already getting dark. I done for today. I'll move the car inside the workshop, and I will start working on it, laying some film tomorrow morning. Let's move it back into the workshop. Time for front bumper. I will do bulk fit on it, and I would like to explain you why. This is how looks front bumper template, and I'm not really like it because, as you can see, we will have a joint in that part, on that place. I will show you on the car where it will be if I will use this template. Straight here. I don't want to have a joint in this place, it's gonna look ugly. This is why I will do bulk fit. Now we just need to trim excess film and front bumper will be finished. Let's talk about doors. It's super tricky to do them. Just look how many pieces we need to lay on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces of film for single door. It's just madness. I'm so lucky that this car has a template. Some of the panels is very tricky. I will need to lay this piece inside there. Let's do it. Now I will do this panel. I will start from the badge and I will work from here this way. I'll need to do a bit of cutting. Not much, just tiny bit. And now it's perfect. This is it, guys. McLaren 720S is finished. We have covered every single piece on this vehicle, including carbon fiber mirrors, carbon fiber vents, and other carbon fiber parts. Also, we have protected roof, rear diffuser. All these tricky parts are protected. More carbon fiber, some gray parts, and headlights. Never forget to protect headlights. Finally, this day is over and I'm going home. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and see you soon.